They said this place would break me, but home was already broken. Here, at least, there's a chance.
One rule in the Gauntlet. Never stop making noise. Never stop moving. Every surface here is alive, responding to every vibration. You don't just climb. You can't fight the noise. You have to use it. Shape it. Make it your own. But some things can't be shaped. They only seek to devour your frequency, to drag you into their chaos. Too close. In the maze, your own sound becomes your worst enemy. Every step, every breath. One mistake. That's all it takes. The echo trap. It overloads your senses, tears at your sanity. Focus! This is the greatest danger. Not the noise of its end.
No. Not like this. It offers you peace, but it's the peace of the grave. The same lie that took everything from me before.
Never again! The final barrier. The final mission. To heal the chaos. This is the paradox. Getting the armor. Facing the storm. The silence is broken. Not with noise, but with harmony. True silence isn't an absence of sound, but an absence of harmony. What would you do if silence was the real killer? If the only thing standing between existence and oblivion